Where's the ticket,
Sir, I know he's got it on his.
A woman was kept chained with a dog leash by her online boyfriend for 120 days, and when she was rescued by officers her voice was trembling. The incident took place in Kentucky. Police officers received a distress call reporting a woman's cries for help. According to surveillance footage from a neighbor's home, a man had brought the woman back to his house 4 months earlier, and she had not been seen since. When officers arrived at the scene, they found that the first floor door was too solid to break through, so they decided to borrow a ladder from a neighbor and climb up to the second floor, entering through a window. Once the officer entered the room, he was confronted with a horrifying scene. A woman chained with a dog leash was sobbing and begging the officer for help, repeatedly apologizing. The officer used an axe to break the anchor at the end of the metal chain and successfully freed her. The woman later told police that the suspect had lured her in by flaunting his wealth on social media. 2 days later, police arrested the suspect, identified as 36-year-old Moises May. During the trial, the suspect claimed that she had consented to everything. In the end, however, he was charged with kidnapping, assault, and other crimes, and was sentenced to 35 years in prison.